Hey, it's Nicholas Alianis. It is Friday, August 16th, and we're out doing some garage sailing. Here is our first sale. We're gonna see what it's got and show you what we come back with. All right, we didn't find anything at this one, but there happened to be another sale going on a couple houses down, and we managed to snap up all these tennis rackets. They had $3 a piece on them, and we got them for 7 of them here. Get them to throw in 2 folding chairs for $20. Where's the broken one? This one we weren't sure of because it appeared broken. We don't know that much about tennis, but when looking it up, looks like the frame itself is worth like over $100, so not bad. We got a lot of Prince brands. We've sold these before and done pretty well with. So, what do you think?
I think great.
I think great too, and we're off to the next sale. All right, we'll see you there. So we're just cruising. This is a nice neighborhood. Let me zoom out there. Yeah, everyone shops garage sales in this neighborhood for as long as I can remember, just because all the stuff is always so nice that you come across. But sometimes people get their prices a little out of order, like they think they're gonna get retail at a garage sale.
Yeah, like they were trying to sell a George Foreman grill and this little oven thing in the same box. Like they're in the same box, and one was 30 and the other one was
50, I think they had on it. I remember seeing that.
And it was in the same freaking box.
Yeah, it's like,
what are you doing?
yeah, I know, but that's okay. Sometimes at those same sales, you'll find like one thing that they had or a couple things that they didn't really know the value of, and they priced it too low, you know, suddenly snap those things up. But we're just kind of out here winging it. We didn't really plan out this weekend what sales we're gonna hit or anything like that. We're just hitting up everything that we can.
Oh, douchebag.
Yeah, don't you love when people drive big vans and then block you so you can't see where you're going? Like they can't sit back a little bit further and watch the road from there.
See, I could have gone, but I couldn't see.
Yeah. Story of my life. Well, let's check out, look for some sales here. Nothing going on in this area. Oh, looks like Danny spotted something. Is that the same? Nope, that's a different one. Yay! Oh, you couldn't see the sign, but it was there. Don't question me. Oh, I saw another sale that we passed on the way. Unless that was the sale. Oh, there's another sale. Excuse me.
I feel like we've been to this one like a few days ago.
That's what I was wondering, but I don't think so. I don't recognize any of that stuff. So, here's our next sale. We're gonna see what we can come up with. Leaders. Okay, so nothing at that one. Not even a street sign. What's the name?
I don't think this is the living.
Turn left here. Got another yard sale, I think. Yeah, see where that truck is parked. Okay, so we do come across a lot of clothes when we're out garage sailing and yard sailing, but
I don't think this is a garage sale.
oh, it's just somebody with a bunch of cars, or it appeared to be a bunch of cars. Okay, well, no biggie. Sorry, that would explain why there's no sign. acquired a used clothing store, or like all their inventory. So until we get through all that, we're kind of on a clothing hiatus, so to speak. So we just walk right past all that. Yeah, we got thousands of clothing items to get rid of. So that is not what we need more of. I think I might have got us a little lost. How do you feel, Dan?
No. This is Country Club Boulevard.
Oh, Shantae. Country Club Boulevard.
I see a sign right there.
Hope it's going that way. Okay. Well, I'm going to find us some good stuff at this one, I bet. Moving sale. Hope we can catch it.
Oh, look at that cute little house.
Wow.
I've never seen it before.
That little spire thing on the side, like Rapunzel. Well,
So far, nothing.
that's a nice house too. Any more signs, people? People no want to give a sign. Oh, there it is. A sign. I don't know if it's their sign, but what else? So yeah, I thought I would like talk more during this video just to be entertaining, but I guess it's fun to look around at all the houses and see how other people live in the world. These houses probably pay more in taxes than I paid for our house. And we've been to this one before. I know we have. They have like a bunch of antiques. Yeah. These old people. I mean, if you know that kind of stuff, but I think they had their prices kind of based on eBay. And yep, I remember this one because the color of the house, how could you forget that? It's like if they made appliances like those avocado and gold harvest appliances, that would be like ripe banana.
Ripe banana, huh?
I'm gonna paint my house a ripe banana. I think it would really bring out the windows. I don't know. Or I'm joking. They're making deals though. That's where it comes.
Can we find Capital now?
Can we find a freaking garage sale? I don't know. Can we? I thought we weren't lost. We're on South Hills Drive. If you turn right, it'll take us back to Country Club. If you go straight, it'll take us to Riverside.
You want to try Riverside or go back to
Is there more to life? Says the sign in their yard. I'd like to think
I'm
so.
lost.
Lost in the subdivision. We might come across that. Oh no, you went straight. We're just gonna do a big circle. This is just all about the way. Oh well. Parts of our city we've never seen. No, that's okay. It'll lead somewhere.
Riverside.
There's usually some great sales over here too.
Should I go left or right?
That is a question for the ages. Yeah. Okay, we're fine.
I think that's the same one we just went to.
Yeah. They suck. But they're great with their signs though, so I bet they get a lot of traffic at least.
Yeah, they would have to be because it's so confusing.
You just kind of stumble upon it.
Let me know if you see it.
I see one right there.
That's the same one.
That's the same one too. There's another one on this side. Two more. Oh well. There's one. Let's go to this one. Okay.
You're gonna
Can you handle the
start
pressure?
driving.
No, I've got the camera.
Yeah, I could take the
You
camera.
can't take the camera because you film my shoulder and stuff.
I can take the camera.
You get all like distracted with the camera and start filming the floor. Whatever. Unlucky. You do this with me. Most pickers are just like themselves.
Be nice, or I won't be doing it with you.
Well, then I'll move faster.
Huh?
So then I'll move faster.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. You're gonna talk to the camera while I
Yeah.
go. You're gonna videotape me.
Sure.
All right, it's still recording. What's our mileage?
It's
Always take a mileage
406.
deduction. 120,406. 270. Country Club. I think this is Lane, not Boulevard. Okay, let's see what I find.
Let's see what I don't know. Let the men go. He's so silly. Looking at him picking. He is right, I do get distracted with the camera. I'm making it look like I'm playing on my phone so that they don't think I'm crazy. Here it comes. He didn't see anything. Nothing. What a big goosey.
Jeez, you were holding it upside down. Hopefully, YouTube will rotate it and stuff. But
I'm just off.
I know if they want $65 for that, and we paid $30 for the same boat at Dunham Sporting Goods a couple of years ago. That's why I was saying about the picnic that we had one time back when I was romantic and all. They arranged this picnic on the water for the two of us before we were married.
In spring, so it was still chilly.
Yeah, it was still chilly. We definitely couldn't go swimming or anything. But the water's pretty and all, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of get away. So I went and bought this inflatable boat, and we went out on the lake here and got some stuff from the grocery store for the deli or whatever, and had ourselves a little picnic literally on the water. We were in our little inflatable boat, and regular boats would drive by and wave and thought we looked so cute out there and all. Then there's this island in the lake. It's not a very big lake, but we decided to row to the island, or I decided rather. But they were plastic oars, and I got a little carried away with rowing because I was like maybe trying to show off a little bit. I don't know.
I think so.
You think so?
I think so.
Well, you married me after the fact. But at any rate,
Years after the fact.
here's it. So we get almost to this island, and me and my powerful row oaring abilities, I broke the oar, and so we had to end up paddling back to shore by hand.
Both
in
oars
this
broke,
freezing
though.
cold. Yeah, both oars broke. I tried to do it with just one after that, and it broke too. Yeah, so here's a fun story about how we got stranded on the lake. Now we're stranded in like a nice little neighborhood, I guess, but still, there's no sales here, so there's no place for me to be here.
I'm trying to get out of here.
She's not trying very hard.
Riverside, punk.
Yeah, but you're going like 20 miles an hour, and I got proof for everybody, too. Proof. It's in the pudding. Are we going to that sale now? Those sales?
Sure.
Those 3 times sales. We ended up like right back where we started. Just a big block, huh? Oh, I thought you were gonna try to kill me. She's gonna try to get this truck to hit me.
Okay.
Your phone's ringing.
Country Club 421.
Oh, 85. Some telemarketers. Okay. This is gonna be a long video. Moreland, we haven't been to that one, if that's the same one.
This darn country club one we've been trying to go to.
Well, let's go to that.
We have been to this one.
Well, then turn around.
Do things to me. That's why I don't want you to do it.
Yeah, but it's better if I don't.
Yeah, well,
Like
I
Panic
have
at the
more
Disco
and more
Sense.
enjoyable time, but I don't have to do it.
I know you do.
I hate driving.
I know you do.
Because I drive all the time. While you're at home in your comfy chair.
I'm so irritated about that retail arbitrage listing
What?
through eBay that we can buy an item for $16 and sell it for $32, but because of eBay fees and shipping costs, there's no profit. We would lose money. And I spent all that time making that listing, and then I had to just pull it. Sucks. Don't hit these people.
Okay, you're having some video right now.
You're almost back to Capitol if you just stay on this road.
Okay, well, I didn't find the country club one.
Yeah, that's because
We went to this.
we're on Country Club.
This 421.
Are.
Yeah, it is. Do you want to go to that one?
Sure. You're gonna hit them up as soon as we turn around. She's gonna pull a Yui. Ooh, you traffic. And I'm just kidding. That's what you're supposed to do, please.
I thought so.
I know, but you're all about rules and stuff sometimes. So I like to pick on you a little bit. So we've been driving around for freaking ages looking for a single sale. So I hope we'll find something good here. We'll come back with the haul. Okay. I can't get the car back in gear, and we found nothing at that one. Just two old ladies that look kind of bored,
Kinda.
and just a bunch of old stuff, like old people stuff.
He's taking over driving now.
Oh, there's another sale.
It doesn't look
It
too
looks like a
promising.
bunch of clothes and shoes and a couple cheap pictures. Like, yeah. Okay, well, let's get out of here. So, it's amazing that we can spend most of the time just driving around looking for sale and still make bank on the spread between the garage sale price and the eBay price. We haven't done much with Amazon yet. I did like one listing to try it out. But
And that listing hasn't sold yet, has it?
no, for that sports cup, the weirdest thing I probably ever bought. Hey, there's our car we were gonna buy at the auction. Okay, what is that? Have we been there?
I think so. That's the first one we went to.
Right. Well, we're almost back to the main drag here.
I don't want to go to the church sale. Not that one. I don't know. Huh?
Alright. All the people.
Capital.
You don't want to go to the church sale.
No. Not that one.
Hey, I hate to hear. It's parked like this because this minivans are flying. Okay.
Looks like a bunch of antique and clothes.
Yeah, it does look like a bunch of junk. And all those people being there means they're not at the other sales, so let's sneak and get to them first.
I thought it would be a good idea to come to Harbor Creek because I thought that it was a rich neighborhood. They would have good garage sales. But really, it's cornfields and electrical wire. We had one garage sale, but
We drove 20 minutes to get there, and they had nothing. But there's neighborhoods here in Harbor Creek that have more houses.
well, that's where I was trying to go.
But you wanted to go straight out into farmland.
Because I thought that's where they were. I don't know. I don't cruise Harbor. I'm a Battle Creek girl. Wait, isn't Harbor in Battle Creek? Well, I'm a Battle Creek city limit girl.
Most people in Battle Creek can't stand to be within the city limits.
I can't stand it either, but I don't cruise these every day. Or ever. In fact, I don't even think I've been out that far. We've been that way to the zoo, that way, and this way. Now we're going down. Garage sale that way.
This way or that way?
Oh, it might be this way.
Or is it even?
I can't read it. I'm sorry. I can't see that far. Don't hate me.
No, I hate whoever put that sign up, like the side of a piece of copy paper, and you're supposed to see it from 100 feet away. So we're done at that sale. Didn't find much, but I did find this rival ice cream maker. New in, well, it's old looking, but it's new in the box, and it's a wooden sided model, and I don't know what the resale value is, but I know that like retail those things with the wooden ones sell for 60 or 70 bucks, so we got it for $5. I didn't even try to negotiate. Like, that's a pretty good deal.
We could have got a box of nudies.
Box of adult movies. They had a whole huge box way out here on a dirt road in the middle of, what would you call this? Point the camera ahead so everyone can see what kind of road we're on here.
It's a dirt road. The houses are decent, but still typical your porn stash in the country. That would be a weird thing to sell. Like, I would feel weird selling it.
Now, is there another one across the street here? Do you think that's what those two signs meant?
I don't. There's only one. No, both of the arrows are pointing this way.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we're leaving this countryside. I think we need to move to like a metropolitan area. Yeah, it's a barn sale too. Going in this barn here.
Can't see it very well, but there's a barn there.
It's right there. That's our next.
Back window.
There we go.
Someone's guarding all the deals today. Not gonna let us get it, huh? It's real.
Is it?
Oh, I don't know about the purse, but the bug is. He's gonna jump on you.
It's a praying mantis, Nick.
He wants that purse. He did jump. Not on you though.
Purses around. Well, that garage sale seemed to be somewhat successful. We got this vintage laundry cleaner.
It is. You can flip it over. Oh, handy. Now we paid what, $4 for everything.
Yeah.
So in theory, we could say we paid $2 for that. They go for about $30 on each if you're willing to wait for it. So that's pretty good profit.
We got this broken fountain, but we're keeping this. We're gonna put it in our pond.
It's not really broken, just the bowl that it sat in was broken. So if you have any other container to put it in, it'll work just fine. And we also got a bag of lights that are wired, so you don't have to worry about them. Our solar path lights don't stay on through the whole night. Like the batteries kind of get low and then they die out before morning time. So now with these plug in, they're on a timer, and probably would have been around $40 or so new. We got them for $1, so it was worth the risk. Okay, so here's our next sale. There's another one on this street going on too, so we're gonna hit it up and see what we find.
All right, let's see what we get.
No. Okay, so we are done at that one, and this is what we got. I got this George S. Clason, The Richest Man in Babylon, one of my favorite books, up there with Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and M.J. DeMarco, The Fast Lane Millionaire. And so I gotta throw that in. Normally I can bundle and just like show them the cash and they're ready, but these people are budget. So they said they give us the food. And we spent $22. Got another club. I got one of these last time for $2.50. It was in better shape than this, but I went ahead and sold that within like 12 hours for $25 free shipping. So that wasn't too bad for $2. And then we got another ice cream maker. You'll have to show this.
It is a soft serve maker.
Yes, Cuisinart soft serve ice cream maker. Now we're on Riverside.
How did we end up on Riverside?
Came out. Okay. Wanna try to hit those?
We can try to hit him.
You wanna stop at Taco Bell?
Yeah.
It's
Happy hour.
happy hour. And I've really got to pee anyway, so.
Sound good to me.
So we can go again
To Taco Bell.
to the Taco Bell.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to the Taco Bell. We gotta get our pina colada freeze on.
I want a Baja Blast freeze. I'm switching it up. Alright.
Okay. And we are out of Taco Bell. My bladder is relieved, thank God. I couldn't handle the negotiation because I'm doing the potty dance while trying to make them. Let's see, Taco Bell.
We got a free.
Here's our haul video for Taco Bell. Got a free cherry limeade sparkler because their fruit cheese to freeze machine's down. And we got a gang of napkins because we need those in the car sometimes. You never know when you just sneeze and more comes out than you thought or whatever. Spicy chicken griller. Beefy nacho griller for you, Danny. And the beefy nacho griller for me. I'm extra hungry. Some fresh snaps, free.
Actually,
Verde, free. Actually, what?
I wanted one.
What,
No.
a fresh snap? I just washed my hands, so.
And then we got
Verde.
mints in there.
Mints, hot sauce. Got a whole lot of freebies thrown in, and we only spent $3 on all of this, so what a great haul. Yeah, I'll talk to the next place.
Off to the next place.